Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about possessive adjectives. Let's get started. Remember that an adjective is a word or set of words that modifies, in other words, describes a noun or pronoun. Note that adjectives may come before or after the word they modify, as in the example over here. This is a cute cat. The adjective cute modifies or describes the noun cat, and it comes before the noun. And in the sentence, this cat is cute, the adjective cute again modifies or describes the noun cat, but it comes after the noun. Now, limiting adjectives help to define or limit a noun or pronoun by telling which one, what kind, or how many. Have a look at the example below. This sandwich is delicious. This is a limiting adjective, and it tells us which sandwich is delicious. Now, in this category, there are possessive adjectives, and they modify the noun following it in order to show possession. These adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Have a look at the example below. I told my friend that I like someone. Then she told that to her friend, and that friend told that to his friend, and now everyone knows everything. Note that the possessive adjective my modifies the noun friend, and it comes before the noun it modifies. And the possessive adjective her modifies the noun following it, which is friend. And his modifies the noun friends. Now let's have a look at the table below. In the first person, singular, the subject is I. Object, me. The possessive adjective is my, as in my cat. Possessive pronoun, mine. In the second person singular, you. Subject, object, you. Possessive adjective, your cat. Possessive pronoun, yours. Third person singular, subject, he, she, or it. Object, him, her, or it. Possessive adjective, his cat, her cat, its cat. The possessive pronoun, his, hers, its. First person plural, subject, we. Object, us. Possessive adjective, our cat. Possessive pronoun, ours. Second person plural, subject, they. Object, them. Possessive adjective, their cat. Possessive pronoun, theirs. Third person plural, subject, you. Object, you. Possessive adjective, your cat. Possessive pronoun, yours. Note that the possessive adjectives need to agree with the possessor and not with the thing that is possessed. However, the verb that is used needs to be in agreement with the noun. Have a look at the examples below. She has a boyfriend. Her boyfriend is very kind. Note that the possessive adjective her is in agreement with what is possessed, which is boyfriend, and the noun boyfriend is in agreement with the verb is. And in this sentence, Peter likes to cook. His cooking skills are great. Note that the possessive adjective his is in agreement with what is possessed, which is skills. And the noun skills is in agreement with the verb are. Remember that possessive adjectives are often confused with possessive pronouns. Have a look at the examples below. Your car is black. Your in this sentence is an adjective which modifies the word car. And in this sentence, mine is white. Mine is a pronoun which functions as the subject of the sentence. Also, remember not to confuse its and its with an apostrophe. Its is the possessive adjective for its, and its is a contraction of it is. Have a look at the examples below. It is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Both sentences are the same. They have the same meaning. Only difference? It's is the contraction of it is. But in the sentence, the dog was wiggling its tail. Its is the possessive adjective for its, and it modifies the dog's tail. Also remember not to confuse there and there. There is the possessive adjective for they, and there is a contraction of they are. It's in the example over here. They are best friends. Same thing as they're best friends. But in this sentence, I want to see their performance. There is the possessive adjective for they, and it modifies the noun following it, performance. Now let's review the use of possessive adjectives and practice a bit. Remember that we use possessive adjectives my, your, his, her, its, our, and their to modify the noun following it in order to show possession. Read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate possessive adjective. We. Family is very energetic. Our family is very energetic. Note that the possessive adjective needs to agree with the possessor and not with the thing that is possessed. Read the following sentence and fill in the blanks using the appropriate possessive adjective. She. Father is a writer. Writing skills are truly amazing. Her father is a writer. Her writing skills are truly amazing. Remember not to confuse possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns. Read the following sentences and decide whether the words in bold are possessive adjectives or possessive pronouns. Their house is huge. There is an adjective which modifies the word house. Hers is small. Hers is a pronoun which functions as the subject of the sentence. Also, remember not to confuse its and its with an apostrophe. Read the following sentences and fill in the gaps using the appropriate possessive adjective. Such a cute cat. Look at tiny paws. It's such a cute cat. Look at its tiny paws. Also, do not confuse there and there. Read the following sentence and fill in the gap with either there or there. Going on vacation. Flight has been booked a long time ago. They're going on a vacation. Their flight has been booked a long time ago. Here is a short story using possessive adjectives. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Hey, have you seen my phone anywhere? No, I haven't seen it. Maybe you should check your backpack. When I lose my phone, it's usually there. I can't seem to find it though. Could you call me? Yeah, sure. I think I have your number. I don't want to use our company phone for personal matters, and I really hope that I haven't lost my phone somewhere. Now, it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and fill in the gaps with my, your, his, her, its, our, or their. A. Peter is from the UK. Wife is from the US. B. These students didn't do homework. C. Look at the kitten. Look at tiny paws. D. Mary loves grandfather a lot. She visits him every week. E. Pam and Kate go to high school. Little brother goes to nursery school. F. We go to the same school. School is amazing. G. I don't like haircut. I think it doesn't suit me. Now read the following sentences and fill in the gaps with its, their. A. Such a nice day. Maybe we could go to the beach. B. Parents are very strict. They never let them go out with us late at night. C. Sorry, but I can't believe it. So kind to everyone. Now, let's check your answers. Peter is from the UK. His wife is from the US. These students didn't do their homework. Look at that kitten. Look at its tiny paws. Mary loves her grandfather a lot. She visits him every week. Pam and Kate go to high school. Their little brother goes to nursery school. We go to the same school. Our school is amazing. I don't like my haircut. I think it doesn't suit me. It's such a nice day. Maybe we could go to the beach. Their parents are very strict. They never let them go out with us late at night. Sorry, but I can't believe it. They're so kind to everyone. Thank you for watching this tutorial.